Hey, what's up, people? How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Want to talk about freelancing things. Nowadays, freelancing things is very famous thing around the world. So sometime we are getting question that how much time? This is a big question. Everyone asks that how many days it will take to make myself a good freelancer? For this question, I can say that it depends on many things, right? Before I have started these freelancing things, I was nothing. To make myself as a good freelancer, from now I have started my freelancing job. But when I started my freelancing job, I was nothing. When I started freelancing, that I have created freelancing account on Fiverr.com. It's about 8 years ago. When I created an account, I didn't get any job many days. But when I found a successful freelancer who told me how to do in better way freelancing job. He showed me the way get success in freelancing. So he helped me a lot. How? He just created an account properly. He showed me how to do these things better way. After that, I just start earning on Fiverr.com. After that, when I get my first job, I was nothing. I was not able to do freelancing job. When I created business card design, I was nothing. But when I get new jobs from Fiverr.com, when I get my first job, I have asked one of my friends, could you please help me to finish this job? He helped me and he finished my first job. And he showed me how to do that job. After that, he used to help me a lot to complete that job, right? And after that, day by day, I have learned many things from that friends. That's why I say, if anyone tell you that if you want to learn freelancing, it will take a long time. It's a long process. I have started my freelancing journey at 8 years ago. So after 40 years, I have started my freelancing career as a graphics designer, right? So if anyone say that your age is matter because you are now old man, you can't start learning freelancing. True, because I have started my freelancing job when I was 40, but now I am 50. I'm still doing my freelancing jobs and I want to keep running my freelancing job long time from now. So don't worry about it. Look at me. So just a piece of advice from me, that don't go an institute and a commercial institute to learn freelancing job. Why? Because if you go there, you still know that I want to tell you something, that you spent lots of years to get educated, right? After after you have all the papers, you are trying to learn freelancing job. Why? Because you are not getting that's enough money. So when you are not getting enough money from your jobs, that's why you are trying to start freelancing, right? Do the job as a freelancer, right? So don't waste your time, brother. Don't go the institute to learn freelancing job. Why? If you ask me why shouldn't I go to an institute to learn freelancing job? Why? Because a freelancer, his earning start from 2 lakh taka and it can be 30 lakh taka per month. So who is a successful freelancer making already 5 lakh taka per month, he is not going to an institute as a teacher to give a lecture, because you know that he is not going to give you lessons for money. Because why? Because he has no time, right? So if you want to learn freelancing job, you have to find good freelancer, a successful freelancer. Why? Because a successful freelancer can help you to make you success. Why? Because he knows tips, tricks. He knows many things. It's true. In our country, so many students, so many people are trying to learn freelancing job, trying to learn all these things, but they are not, sometimes they are not making them successful. Why? Because they do not know that secret things. What is that secret things? You know, people, a successful freelancer do not reveal their success, do not reveal their secret all the time. You know that? Because he achieved that experience, achieved that technique from his life, from his long journey, 10 years long journey, 5 years long journey. He will never reveal that secret openly on YouTube. That's why you have to find a good freelancer if you want to learn freelancing job better. Sometimes people are coming to me and they are learning Photoshop things, they are learning Photoshop tips and tricks and all these things within a week, sometime within a month, but from an institute complaining that they are unable to make their pen tool perfect after month of exercise. You know that I have learned my freelancing from a good friend. He showed me how to do these things better, right? After that, I have started getting jobs. When I started my freelancing job, I was not able to speak out in English. Before 8 years, before 10 years, I was not able to speak English language as I am talking right now, to sell myself around the world. World are understanding me and I am understanding the world. I am selling myself around the world. That is enough for me with my English. But what I am telling right now, what I am doing right now, I was not that person before 10 years. When I started my freelancing job, I was nothing. People was complaining that you do not understand anything about from our description. Why you are here? But now I understand everything. There is another example. My brothers, my sisters, my relatives, so many successful freelancers from my relatives, when they started, they were not educated people. Sometimes they didn't know how to read their names in English. But now they are speaking in English. They are reading in English. They are understanding in English. They are doing everything in English. They are collecting, they are getting jobs, they are making money, they are doing everything in English. They are telling the clients. If clients ask them, hey, are you available there? They are answering them, yes sir, I am available. You can place an order or you can give me a job. I can do that job better. I can do that job good. So there is no problem. So my friends, what my motive today, that if you want to learn freelancing, you need not to go an institute. I say you can start your freelancing job right now when background removing work within 2 days only. So within 2 days you can start your freelancing job. After that, learn how advanced Photoshop work, right? So after that, you can increase your earning day by day. Open your freelancing account on Fiverr right now and start your job right now. If your mentor, if your teacher good enough, he can teach you freelancing within just 2 days. Within 2 days you will learn how to remove background properly, right? So after that you can start your job. Look, sometime you will not be able to complete that job, no problem. There is so many people are waiting for you to do your job. How? Why? Because when you get a job of like $10 or $20, you just give him 50%. So why all this waiting? So if you wait, that lack of your confidence. Sometime your teacher giving you the confidence. Sometime your teacher is giving you the confidence, but your parents, but your relatives, but your families are demotivating you. Sometime not sometime, maximum time, families, parents, relatives, they do demotivated us that you can do this. When you start anything, when you trying to start anything, first of all, from your relatives, from your families, from your parents, first word are coming that you can't do this. That is the demotivative things. So friend, please don't make them let you down. Because I have started my freelancing without knowing anything. My friends, my relatives, my students, my brothers, they started freelancing job without knowing anything. But now they are all successful freelancer. They are earning more than 2 lakh taka each one, 4 lakh taka per month. It's true. They are making money. Speaking in English, not necessary to go university, go college or something like that. If you want to learn any language, you can learn that language within 60 days. You can learn any language around the world. Okay, so it's not the barrier that you don't know English, you can start your freelancing job. No, you can start your freelancing job without knowing anything. But you need a good teacher, you need a good advisor, you need a successful freelancer, so he can guide you the right path. My friends, my student, they are doing very good job in freelancing sector. So today I am telling you again, you can start your freelancing job anytime in any age, but you need to have that confidence, you need to have that belief that you can do this. If you have not that enough faith on you that you can do this, don't start freelancing job. But if you have that faith after getting the motivation from any successful freelancer, then you can start your freelancing job. But after that, you have to believe that you can do this. There is nothing impossible. There is nothing the complex thing that you can't do this. Thank you very much for 2 days. Once again, I will come to you for another purpose or another things. Then thank you very much. Thank you from my heart that you have watched my video, my speech from start to finish. And thank you very much. Thank again.